Hello everyone. So this reading is for the people who are lately feeling very intense energy. If you are feeling an energetic pull towards someone that you may like, or maybe this can be your ex-partner, your ex-friend, like this can be a person with whom you are not talking too much nowadays, but there's this sudden intense emotions or a feeling that you have been feeling lately. This can be a certain anxiousness or the sadness, a wave of sadness, all of a sudden, something like that. Okay, so if you're feeling this way, so let's see why you are feeling this and what exactly the messages that you are getting for this current situation. Who is exactly manifesting you? Because intuitionally, in I feel like there is someone in your life that is actually manifesting you currently. This is what I'm getting intuitively. Okay, but we'll check it through the tarot today. Let's see why you are feeling in this certain way. I want each and every one of you to claim the energies. Okay, claim this reading, claim the energies, because karma is real. So let's see why you are feeling in this certain way. Okay, my beautiful people. Okay, let's see what exactly you are manifesting, who is exactly manifesting you, and why you are feeling this sudden pull or the gravity I told you. Okay, so there's this person, and as I told you, this person can be from your past. Maybe your past ex-partner, your ex-friend. This can be your crush whom you might not know about. Okay, so somebody in your life is currently manifesting you. Okay, they are not telling you exactly, or might be, okay, there's this two energies that I'm getting right now. First, this person is a kind of person who is very much, they are very much talkative, like they have the fire energy in them. Sorry, air energy in them. They can be, this person can be air zodiac, because bottom of the deck also we are getting air energy. So they can be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or might be you can be the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, prominent in your chart. So this air energy that I'm getting, and this person is very much good in communication, by the way. But at the same time, they are very good in communication. Their communication skills are very much impressive. Okay, but at the same time, they are not telling you their intense emotions, or maybe what they are hiding in their feelings towards you. This person is highly obsessed with you, but they are trying to not tell you, or they are trying to pull away from you, because bottom of the deck I'm feeling like this something about you. The people who are watching this reading, there is something about you. Might be you are a kind of person, the people who are watching this reading, you are a kind of person who is very much emotional. At the same time, you're a kind of person who needs a proper pure commitment when it comes to relationships, right? And if this is the ex-partner, if this is your ex-partner, they know that you are a person who do not deal with casual or random things, or the random relationship or the random people, because for you commitment is something very much important. Okay, you value commitment, you value relationships. You don't go for random stuff in your life, be that a relationship, be that career. But when it comes to your career, you give your 10,000% for the people whom you love. At the same time, you want return also. Okay, you want the energies to be reciprocated in relationship. Okay, but this person who the person who is actually manifesting you right now, they know that they can be commitment phobic. Okay, they can be commitment phobic, but at the same time, the kind of energy you bring in to this relationship or to this person life, that is a kind of magnetic pull that they always want to feel, or they want to access your energy, because your energy is so much magnetic that they feel superior or they feel needed in the relationship, right? But why they are not telling you this, or maybe intentionally they are trying to run away from you or might be your energy, because at the same time they know that at this point of time they cannot afford to give you the proper you say a commitment, or the things that you want in the relationship. See, this is a very confusing energy. Let me clarify bit more what exactly this going on in this person's head. Let's see what exactly they are thinking about you right now. What they are thinking about you right now. Let's okay. We draw a two cards. See, I told you. So, Three of Pentacles and the Ace of Cups. Okay, my beautiful people, listen up. First and foremost thing that this person actually wants is that they don't want to give you commitment at this given point of time, okay? Because there is something in their finances, in this person finances, that is going on. They might be not in a condition to give you proper finance, or maybe you can say give you proper financial stability at this point of time, because their career is so much unstable right now, okay? But they are so much full of love. They want to give you love, they want to cherish beautiful things, memories with you, and they want this particular relationship to be they want this relationship to work out. But what exactly is holding this person back is not like they don't want to give you commitment. Why they don't want to give you commitment at this time, as I told you earlier, because there is something financially in their life that they are holding back their feelings. Because for this person, finance, or you can say money stability, is very important before committing into relationship. And they are trying very much hard for in their career. They are actually trying very hard to build their career with Queen of Wands. Now we have Queen of Wands in bottom of the deck, so this is a kind of your energy. You want your person, and this person who is manifesting you right now, they know you very well. By the way, they know you, they you know this person, and they also know you very well, in and out, okay? This is not somebody new. This is actually a person whom you know, or might be this is a person who is exactly running in your mind while you are listening to this reading, okay? So this energy is kind of energy that you told this person that you want this kind of energy in your partner, okay? Now what does this energy means? You want a proper stability, you want proper partnership, okay? You want proper commitment. At the same time, you want your partner or your person to be financially stable. At the same time, you want your person to be highly emotional, as an emotional intelligence. EQ should be, IQ is obviously should be in a person, but at the same time EQ is very much important for you uh, to have in your partner, right? So this person have this feminine quality. By feminine, what I mean, they are very much emotional. They have this emotional side in them, this person, okay? They have this emotional side in them. By the way, this can be a girl or boy, okay? Gender doesn't matter over here. So there's this emotional side. If this is a boy or a man, vice versa, if you are listening for a man, So they have their feminine side. By feminine, what I mean, they have this emotional side in them. They have this, motherly nature in them. But at the same time, they always, in the physical or the upper level, they always need to show up in a way where people do not take their feminine side as a weakness. Okay, so they always show up as a superior, or maybe they always show up as a egoistic or dominant, to the other people in their field, or maybe in relationship as well, because they think, or maybe this is the mentality of this person. Maybe this can be, the people around them always, from the very beginning of their age, told them that if this person is a boy, that if you show your emotional side to the, or your vulnerable side to the people will mistake that for a weakness. So this is that kind of energy. Okay, but there will be a commitment that is coming for you. Okay, there will be the commitment. The see star card, I told you, I can't show you the star card, and the justice is on the bottom of the deck. So justice with the star card, so there's this justice is coming for you with the divine soulmate connection at the divine time. You know what I think at this, from this reading, what I actually feel, justice with star card, this person can be your soulmate. Yes, this person can be your soulmate, okay, or maybe your wish fulfillment, because you are their wish fulfillment for sure. Period. No arguments. Because star, as I told you, they are manifesting you. They are literally manifesting you. That is why, if you are constantly thinking about this person and you have no idea, like, why all of a sudden 24/7 you have, you have this somebody in your mind going on, or maybe you have vivid dreams about this person also. So it is a pure sign that they are manifesting you at the first place. But let me tell you, you know what, if this is your ex partner and you guys were in a no contact situation for a longest period of time, so there might be chances that they will show up, okay, and they will tell you that they want you or this relationship back. Okay, but mark my word, and this person can be your true soul mate connection. And with the justice card, justice is a kind of realization for them. Earlier, if this is your ex partner, earlier they do not have this realization, or maybe they took you or this relationship for granted. Okay, and that is why when you guys fall apart, you have had a no contact situation. Okay, you were not talking to each other for the longest period of time. This person actually finally had that, realization that for him or her, you are the most secure, reliable, loving, caring person. Okay, and with the justice card, this is a justice for you, because you as a person always, treated this relationship or nurtured this relationship, okay, without expecting anything in return earlier. Okay, but as, of course, they don't know what to do with you or this relationship, they actually took you and this relation for granted. And now they, after your no contact or things like that, they finally had this realization that, oh my god, it's a loss for them. Then they finally realized, oh my god, I lost a greatest opportunity, or the greatest man or woman in my life. So with the star card, of course, they are manifesting you, and the justice is coming for you. Now when justice is coming for you, this person is always, again, coming for you. But let me tell you very clearly, do not expect any commitment as for now, because of course finances will be there. Of course they want to commit to you, but only when their finances will be stable, or might be they will tell you exactly this thing as I'm telling you. So this is your proof, this is your, sign. Claim this reading and let me know in the comment section what you feel about this connection, and will you give that a chance?